Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a quick revamp DIY video for you guys. I have this long mirror and I'm just gonna revamp it out. So let's get into the things that I'll be using to do that. Okay, we have this long mirror. We got it from Walmart a while back. And I have these mirrors here from the Dollar Tree. And I have these gems which you can get from Michael's, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby. And we have these silver spoons that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, and we have our glue gun. Let's get into this revamp. Okay, we're just going to take the spoons and we're just going to break them off. Then we'll be adding these gems to the spoons also, just 4 of them. And we're going to be placing one at each of the 4 corners. And now we're just going to press lightly and take out our mirrors out of the hand mirrors. Okay, we're just using the round mirror part. And we're just going to place them onto our mirror like this. Space them out, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to use our E6000 and our glue gun, and we're going to glue them down. When I had you, I was okay. When we go out, girl, I would with you like all day. And now we're going to take the top part of our spoons that we've broken off and just lay them around in a pattern going around. And now that we have our pattern, we're just going to take them up and glue them going all the way around using the hot glue gun, you guys. Now it's a different love. I'm a double better love. I'm a love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me. And now I'm gonna add some black rhinestones that I have here. I didn't show this in the beginning, but I have these rhinestones here. So I'm just gonna add them going around the inside of the circle, going all the way around just to give it a little nice extra added touch. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our lovely Revamp Walmart mirror using Dollar Tree items, you guys. I think it turned out very nice. Now, I couldn't bling it out too much because this mirror is going into the basement in a man cave. Yeah, you guys, it's going in a man cave. And I wasn't allowed to bling it out too much. That's why I added the black rhinestones. And, you know, I didn't too much glitter. Wasn't allowed to. So I fixed it up as nice as I could. It's going to go on the wall in his man cave in the basement. Yeah, so I think it turned out very nice. Alright, you guys, here it is standing up. I'm so sorry, but I can't show you the space I'm putting it in. He said no filming. I'm not allowed to film in his room. So I just stood up here so you guys could see how it looks. Anyways, I hope I've inspired you with another nice little revamp idea from items that you have within your home. And thank you for coming on, for seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now see